Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm introducing you my Jira Control Center using n8n and done with Streamlit. So let's see what is this project about. So it's a unified dashboard for modern agile delivery. So the tech used, as I said, is Streamlit, so Python. And it's also using AI, so I will go to it later. We also have automation, as I said, n8n. And for the data, they are treated with Panda and JSON. What is the value of this app? You can get instant AI summaries, a 360 ticket view about all of your dashboard from Jira, and it's a plug-and-play automation via n8n. So let's now see how it is. So first, on the left, you have all of the settings. So here you can see we have the n8n webhook URL. It's where you connect this app to n8n. You can create a local save or not. So here you will put your URL, and if you test, you will have a message in green if it's okay, or now it's not okay because nothing is set. You can choose the AI provider you want. So you have Olama, OpenAI, Anthropic, so with Claude, Mistral, and DeepSeek. Then for the filters, you have all of the filters part here, the different type of tickets, the different type of status, the assignee which are from your database, the priority, and you can also have a different view. I will show you. So now we are in the table view, and if we switch to cards view, we have all of the tickets displayed like this, and it's responsive. So for example, if you want more cards displayed, you will just change the number, and then the tickets will be more. And if you want to see more, you go to the next page, and if you want to see less, okay, so now I want only 6 tickets, and I have 6 tickets on the first page. So now let's back to the table view, and let's check out the other dashboards. So here we have an overview. So in the data we have 60 tickets. So among them 13 are done, 21 in progress, 1 blocked, and the average day of the ticket is 85. We also have a status distribution, so which can be zoomed, where you have a statistic about all of the tickets on another view. Here you have the possibility to export, so you can export in CSV or in JSON, and you can have an AI summary of the filtered tickets. You will see. So now I set it up with Olama. So we have 60 filtered tickets. We have the different status, the type of tickets, so if star, story, bug, the top assignees, the risk, the next steps, which is done by AI. And here we have the table view all of the tickets with all of the most important information: the due date, project description, the reporter, label, component, sprint, story point, etc. And the other feature of this app is that you can create a new ticket. So through n8n, you will create your ticket here. By that I mean you will enter all of the information you need. Then it will be sent to n8n, and with the connection with Jira, n8n will create a ticket, so you will have your new ticket created. It's much more easier and saving you more time than to go to Jira and do it everything manually. So now you just have to enter quickly all of the information you want. So the project key, the different type of tickets, the status, priority, the summary, the description, assignee, so all of the information, the sprint, the story points, etc. And once you are done, you will create the ticket. So summary is required more than 5 characters, so yes, so because I haven't set up anything, it's like this, but if you set up, you will have a message, okay, now this ticket has been sent to n8n. So that's it for my introduction of this app. Now let's test it. So this is a workflow, but let's have a look at it first. So the first node is the webhook, then we get the raw data, we process them. Once it's processed, we get the result, then we do a HTTP request, then we get the Jira response, and then we have the final result. So for this workflow to work, we need to have it activated, and I will use the URL production for the test. So now I'm in the Streamlit app. First of all, I need to do the connection with n8n. So let's try the connection. n8n reachable 200. Okay, so it's all fine. And now let's go down and create the ticket. So the project Jira, this is the key I have already in my Jira account. So what do I want to create? I want to create a story. I set use to do because it's something that we need to do. Priority, let's put highest because it's something that we need to do quickly. Summary, this is a ticket for the demo. Description, this is a test. So we don't really want to assign something because someone in the team will pick it up. Same for the sprint, we will see. But maybe we can assign some story point. Let's put 9. We don't need a label, we don't need component, we don't need any more information. Let's just create the ticket. The ticket has been created with success. Here we have the details of the ticket. So it's a story, we have a sum up of the description, the status, the priority, and we have the URL. Let's try it. Okay, so now we are in the ticket. So TES35, and let's check the details. So for the title, this is a ticket for the demo, it's what we've written. Description, this is a test, so all is fine, we didn't add anything else. Now let's check the details of the ticket. Priority is the highest, we didn't assign anyone. We didn't put any labels, just we put some story point, 9. It's exactly what we entered, so we can say that the ticket has been created successfully.